Good morning, Foley High School. Will you please stand for a moment of silent meditation and remain standing as we honor our nation in reciting the Pledge of Allegiance. And now, join me for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Foley High School. I'm Felix Backus.
And I'm Caitlin Ebert. We have a lot of announcements for you today, so come hang out with us because this
is the Lion Pride News.
Good morning, faculty and students at Foley High School. I want to introduce a couple of new members of our staff here at Foley High School, new to the Line family. While we have a lot of new staff members, teachers, and other people, I did want to introduce two of our new administrators. First of all, you've seen Mr. Akins walking around. He's the tallest administrator on campus, one of the tallest people on campus now too. But Mr. James Akins comes to us. He's been at Loxley Elementary for several years, and he's come down to be one of our assistant principals, and you've seen him around the building for the first month. We're glad to have him be a part of our staff here at Foley High School. And as y'all know, we also had Mr. Moore has moved on, and I've assumed a new role here, so it created an opening for another assistant principal. And we're glad to have Mr. Jonathan Crawford here, actually Dr. Jonathan Crawford. He does have a doctorate in education, but he prefers Mr. or Doctor. And he has joined us. He comes from Bayonette High School, where he was a history teacher for many years and has been at other schools, but we're glad to have these two newest members. Obviously, you've seen them walking around with the radio on, which you know makes them an administrator to some degree, and we're glad to have them as part of our staff. Had not had a chance to formally introduce Mr. Akins to you. It's kind of obvious he was walking the halls as a tall dude, but I wanted to officially say welcome to y'all. We're glad to have y'all as part of our family, part of our administrative staff. I know you'll extend to them the same courtesy that you have the rest of us, and I know that you'll listen to them when they approach you in their official duty. Welcome them to the Line family, and we're glad to have y'all, and thank you very much for your attention.
Next week is homecoming week, which means dress down days. Wednesday is King of the Corgis, Safari Day. Dress up as you are going on a safari or any animal. Don't forget your hats, binoculars, or fanny packs. Thursday is Blast the Bears to the Past, Decade Day. Dress as someone would from your favorite decade. Don't forget your tie-dye, high-waisted jeans, or your flannel.
Hi, Foley High School. My name is Abby Wester. I'm here with Brittany Hall, who is a part of our 2014 homecoming court. Brittany, are you excited to be on court this year?
Yes, I am excited. I feel honored that my whole senior class voted for me to be on homecoming court and also senior class officer.
And what are you most looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the middle school pep rallies. I feel like it's just going to be a big party all day, and I love parties. Who doesn't?
Okay. Well, thank you, Brittany, for being with us here on the Lion Pride News today, and we wish you the best of luck. Now back to the news.
The PSAT will be given on Wednesday, October 15th here at Foley High School. This is the perfect way to practice for the ACT and SAT. Also very important for juniors. In order to qualify for the National Merit Scholarship Program, you must take the PSAT your junior year. See Ms. Flores in the 900 Hall office to register before October 3rd. The cost is $15.
celebrating today's birthdays are Miss Wynn, Octavia Winham, Alexis Montgomery, Raven Pope, Pedro Lemus, Cheyenne Simpson, Kim Gwynn, and Jasmine Ozinga. Have a wonderful birthday.
And now it's time for a look at your week in history. This week we're celebrating Constitution Week. For the next few days, we will be honoring the foundation of our country. Did you know that the U.S. Constitution is the oldest constitution still in active use in the world today? It is the basic document of our republic, which protects the individual liberties of all citizens through written law. One of these liberties is our right to vote. No one can be denied the right to vote because of race or gender. But remember, the Constitution never clearly ensues us the right to vote. The 26th Amendment is what gives all peoples over 18 years of age the ability to vote. A state can, however, be allowed to lower the voting age if it chooses. All qualifications to vote are left with the individual states. This message was brought to you by the Bond Secure chapter of the Daughters of the American Revolution. Now back to the news.
Attention all FBLA students. The September meeting is Thursday, immediately after school in Miss Porter's room 307. Please plan to attend and bring your $25 if you have not paid already.
Hey Diana, doesn't NHS have something today?
Yes, NHS members will have a mandatory induction ceremony practice Wednesday, September 24th in the gym from 3:10 to 4.
Attention Foley Theater Company members, it's time to sign up to participate in this year's drama contest. To ask questions or sign up, see Ms. Anderson this week. And have you signed up with Remind 101? It's a quick and easy way to get important info to you. Do this now. If you need help, see Ms. Anderson. Do you want to help paint the Foley Theater Company window for homecoming? Stay after school any day this week. Finally, auditions for the lottery are immediately after school on Wednesday in the library. See Ms. Anderson for details.
Good morning, class, and welcome. Today's lesson is about attendance. If you put in the work today, tomorrow you could be whatever you want to be. Let's take out some paper and answer this question. When I grow up, I want to be... Cameron?
Cameron?
Can't be late, I gotta get myself to class so they can educate. There is a world of things to know, so I can't hesitate. I got my pencils, calculator, and the mental space. I must be on my way. Set to go, I just devoured a nutritious bowl of cereal. Today I'm gonna learn about adding with decimals. Vocabulary words to learn like indispensable. 2 more gold stars to go, until I'm feeling smarter, so I cannot be dirty. Sometimes there's gummy bears, recess is the after party. We'll have some story time and learn about math and science. Sequoia, semper virens, get after class assignments. Come on and take me away, I have got to get a move on or I will be late. Time to get moving, learn so I can use it. I'm in Oakland, I'm in Oakland, I'm in Oakland school kid. Come on and take me away, I have got to get a move on or I will be late. Time to get moving, learn so I can use it. I'm in Oakland, I'm in Oakland, I'm in Oakland school kid.
Anyone interested in trying out for the girls soccer team needs to meet on Monday, September 22nd at 3:15 in room 315. The meeting should only last about 15 minutes.
So I was walking down the hall the other day, and I got hit in the head with a can of soda. Man, I was lucky it was a soft drink.
And that's all of your news for today.
Join us tomorrow for more news around school.
Have a great day.